Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will learn about dictionaries. So dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. Suppose you have a car, and you want to store some properties of your car, like name, year, and engine. You can store it with the help of dictionaries. Just take a variable name and use curly braces, and write your keys and their values. Suppose name is Swift. Year is 2013. And last key is brand, and value will be Maruti. Oops, we forget to add comma. And now you can check your variable, it will show you a dictionary, in which your car name, year, and brand are keys. And your Swift, 2013, and Maruti are values, of respectively keys. Suppose you want to know your car name. Just write car bracket name, it will return your car name. Let's say, now you want to know year. So similarly, write variable name, bracket, and pos year. Now you can do with your brand as well. So it is telling us, your value of year key, is 2013. And brand value is Maruti. Now there are some functions with dictionaries as well. Press your tab after your variable name. Suppose you want to know your all keys, so just write car.keys. Similarly, for values write .values. Suppose you want to drop a key value. What you think how we can do? Well, it is very easy, we have a function known as pop. Let's do it. Write car, press tab, and select pop. And pos u key, suppose I want to drop name. Now check your dictionary, as you can see name is dropped. We will see more things in next videos. Please subscribe for more videos.